making videos in front of people is very difficult job. The time when you start making this type of videos, at that time you could realize that it's not that easy, because there are several types of people. Some of the people they try to talk with you, some people they will try to insult you, and some of the people they actually will try to praise you. So it's actually combined situation. I think those people who are not used to this type of situation, it's not possible for them to make this type of videos, and those people who feel shy, it's not possible for them also. I am also in the same category. That's why sometimes I start making videos, but I can't even complete this type of videos many times. And there were several times when I faced different types of bullying from the other side, and I face different types of difficulties. I think those people who are involved with this, they can easily realize that the mindset of our country actually is not that improved, that they will try to praise you. A little number of people, they will try to praise you, but most of the people, they will try to insult you. So that's the dark reality of our country. But it's not a big matter, because those people who are courageous enough, they will try to make this type of videos. And in this case, my scenario is completely different, because I have to talk in English, which is very difficult. And actually, I can easily try to talk in Bengali, but when it comes in the English language, at that time, obviously this is very hard, because sometimes I couldn't able to complete the whole sentence. Sometimes I couldn't able to complete the whole scenario or such type of thing. So at that time, actually it was very much irritating moment for me. But again, I try to make this type of videos because it's actually one of my passion. That's all about today's video. I appreciate that you are watching my videos. Actually, you are watching my videos, that's why I make this video, and also this thing is necessary for me. That's why I make this video. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate that you are watching my videos, and I wish you a best of luck.